Welcome to SCANITpro Analytics and Lead Scoring. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Analytics dashboard to understand your lead quality and event performance, so you can follow up smarter and close more deals after every event. Step 1. Accessing Lead Analytics. From your lead dashboard, tap the bar chart icon to open Lead Analytics. At the top of the screen, you'll find the date range filter. You can view data for the last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, all time, or set a custom date range. This lets you slice your data by any window that matters to you. Step 2. Your key performance indicators. Right below the date filter, you'll see 4 KPI cards that give you an instant snapshot of your event performance. Total leads shows how many contacts you've captured. Qualified shows how many met your qualifier threshold. In this example, 2 out of 5, giving a 40% qualification rate. Average rating shows how your team scored leads on a 1 to 5 star scale. And companies shows the number of unique organizations represented in your lead list. These 4 numbers tell you immediately how your scanning effort is performing. Step 3. Leads over time. Scroll down to see the leads over time chart. This line graph shows your daily lead capture volume and cumulative growth across the event period. You can toggle between daily view and cumulative view using the button in the top right of the chart. Use this to identify your peak scanning days. If most leads came in on day 1 of a 3-day event, you may want to distribute your scanning effort more evenly next time. Step 4. Rating distribution. Next, you'll see the rating distribution chart. This bar chart breaks down how you've rated your captured leads across 1 to 5 stars. The summary row below the chart shows exact counts and percentages for each star level. In this example, 40% of leads received a 5-star rating. Those are your highest priority follow-ups. Aim to increase the percentage of 4 and 5-star leads over time as you refine your qualifying process. Step 5. Top companies and scanning heat map. Further down, the top companies section ranks the organizations you've scanned most, each with their average lead rating shown as a color-coded bar. Companies with high scan counts and high average ratings are your most valuable accounts. Below that is the scanning activity heat map, a grid showing which days and hours you are most active scanning. Orange hotspots indicate your busiest scanning windows. Use this to plan staffing at future events. Make sure you have people scanning during the highest traffic hours. Step 6. Qualifier breakdown and conversion funnel. The qualifier breakdown chart shows which custom qualifiers, like hot lead, decision maker, or requested demo, were applied most frequently across your leads. This helps you understand the intent profile of your attendees. The conversion funnel below it shows the journey from total scans down to qualified leads, giving you a clear picture of your conversion rate at every stage. And that's the Analytics dashboard. With these powerful insights, you can measure your event ROI, prioritize follow-ups, and continuously improve your lead capture strategy. For more tutorials, visit SCANITpro.com, and happy scanning.